What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video to the channel. In this video I will be breaking down exactly how I approach meme coins from the dev side, which means launching your coins yourself, and no, not trading meme coins. I've made hundreds and thousands of dollars and even millions of dollars from this crypto strategy, and no, you do not need a big portfolio. Everything will be dropped into this video. Keep watching, bro. You do not want to miss this video. This Phantom wallet did not grow from trading. It grew from launching meme coins on repeat every single hour. Pay attention, bro. Watch till the end. You do not want to miss this video if you are tired of losing money. Most people in this space get burned in meme coins because they try to trade them. They buy in, for example, and eventually the dev sells in their whole position. That is why experienced traders in this space and big KOLs are switching to deving. It's low risk and high fucking reward. Why? Because, bro, when you trade meme coins, your money goes straight to the pockets of the devs, right? But when you launch your own coin, you are the dev and you control everything. That is why deving is so simple. You launch the coin, you let buyers buy in organically, and you decide when to cash out all your money. Deving has become the new method because it costs literally $0 to create a meme coin on the Solana blockchain. That is exactly how I built my portfolio, okay? From $0 to hundreds and thousands of dollars, all from deving all day. Keep watching because into this video, bro, I would do a step-by-step tutorial on how to dev your first meme coin and potentially make some profits, bro. Now, when someone starts thinking about launching a meme coin for the first time, the platform they usually default to is Pump.Fun. Now, it's the most familiar name, the most popular, and the most obvious move, but that is where people get it wrong. Why? Because Pump.Fun is packed and tokens are created non-stop, and most of all these coins will collapse almost instantly. If you are still launching there, bro, you are not building momentum, you are just rolling dice. On top of that, Pump.Fun manages your liquidity and takes a percentage of your creator fees. That means you never truly own your own launch from the start. And as a dev, the objective is putting your coin in front of the Raydium DEX, where real volume and buyers actually exists. But on Pump.Fun, getting there takes too much time and relies heavily on luck. That's exactly why I switched over to create coins.io. This launchpad removes all those limitations and your token is launched directly onto the Raydium DEX right away, skipping the bonding curve, skipping everything, so it reaches active traders instantly and gives you a real advantage over everyone else. And most importantly, you have full control over your own liquidity. That's exactly why this launchpad is being quietly gatekept. Now, here's how to launch a meme coin officially on createcoins.io. There's two different ways to go about it, bro, and honestly, it's up to you to choose which method you want to use. Now, the first method is create coin right here, and basically you're just creating a manual coin on chain. Now, you need a narrative for your meme coin, okay? So go on X and look for any type of narrative. It could be a joke, a viral meme, some type of tweet from anybody, from Elon Musk, Trump, the White House, anybody, right? And once you have that narrative, come back to createcoins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then add a quick image, and just like that, your meme coin is custom made on chain. But the second method is actually how I've made all my money, and that's by copying trending coins. Now, these coins are all trending and they're all attracting buyers on Pump.Fun. So they're basically all hot right now, right? And your job is to copy one coin or a couple of them, but I would recommend to go one at a time. You just copy a coin, and since you're copying coins that are going viral, well, your copy will attract a bunch of buyers, and that is how you make profits copying coins, okay? I've personally built my entire portfolio from copying coins. I will do a quick example. Alright, now it's time for the best part of today's video. That is by launching a coin, okay? We will be copying a coin and we will see how much we make by the end of this launch. Now, first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected, okay? Let me just do a quick example. Disconnect. Boom. Phantom or MetaMask. I prefer Phantom. Then click on refresh list, and now you will have all the coins in front of you. I am going to copy a random ass coin, Juice. Juice looks good. It has it as by, you know, a couple seconds ago. Click on create coin. Ignore the block. Click on proceed, confirm, and understand right here. Then click on confirm. Okay, every single person is gonna get that warning. Just wait for the pop-up. Boom, and now click on view on SoScan, and now the coin is live. Okay, it's on the blockchain, everything is working. Now it's time to create the liquidity pool for that coin. Now this step and this entire page is where your coin activates. Okay, we're going to be adding liquidity here, and right after, your coin becomes instantly tradable for everyone on the Raydium DEX. It will pop up in the migrate section right here. Okay, now this page is what Pump.Fun doesn't give you guys the option to control and to create, and this is why createcoins.io is so special. Now for the amount token A, click on 90%. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens for the supply inside your coin. Right under for the amount token B, this is the first transaction that kickstart your chart. This SOL right here is not spent, it's simply the first initial buy-in. You need at least 0.3 Solana, and by the way, you will receive it back later when the liquidity is removed. Okay, so make sure you have 0.3 SOL in your wallet. Okay, 0.3 SOL, and you will get it back later. I'm going to put 0.32 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool. Then click on confirm. When that is done, bro, click on the refresh button, then scroll down, and boom, the Juice coin is now live. Your profits will show up right here though, and then click on the refresh button to officially check your profits whenever you want. And now, as you guys can see, bro, your PNL should have went a bit up. Mine went to $126, which is not too shabby for the initial launch. That means people are insta buying our coin right on the spot. Now click on view on Photon to see the chart. Go on full screen if you want. I prefer to go on full screen. Then just wait. And as you guys can see, bro, the coin is live. We're already up like a couple $100. Okay, it's pumping. 1.7k market cap. Things are looking actually fucking good. $72 buy. Let's fucking go. Pump this coin up, bro, to the fucking moon. This is why I love creating and launching coins. Boom. $42, $10, right here we just made $150, okay? Like I said, deving meme coins is so profitable because we created this coin with literally, it cost us nothing to create this coin, right? And now we're getting a bunch of buys on the Raydium DEX, okay? Now a bunch of people launch on Pump.Fun, but we launch directly to Raydium and we skip all that time wasted. And that is why you guys have to be deving, bro. If this is not proof, if this doesn't make you motivated to dev, I don't know what is, bro. Come on, $74 buy. Oh, he sold right after. Anyways, I'm gonna give this coin some time for it to fucking pump, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I am back and we are at a 4.8k market cap, pushing 5k. Oh, we just hit 5k. Just like that, bro. And now it's my time. Oh my god, it's pumping. Okay, it's pumping. Okay, now let's make some money, bro. Come back to createcoins.io really quick. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button to check your profits. And now, as you guys can see, we're up $1,600 USD, which is not too shabby for a 6k market cap. Now click on the minus button, do 100% to remove all, okay? Then click on the red button to remove, then just wait. What? And now, as you guys can see, bro, we are going to receive around 13 SOL on the Juice coin. Click on confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make some quick generational wealth. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet, you guys can see clearly that we just received the entire amount in our wallet, which is $1,600 straight inside our wallet, bro. Instantly cashed out. Now, bro, if this isn't your sign to start deving, bro, I don't know what is. Join my Discord, bro. Join my Telegram. Let's network together, bro. And yeah, go try this out for yourself.